open the number blocks. Issue 46, Number Magic Set. And let's build the tiles. And let's also sort them from 1 to 10. Let's take the number block 1 out. Here is number block 1. Let's take the number block 2 out. 1, 2. Let's take the number block 3 out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's take the number block 4 out. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's build number block 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take the number block 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's take the number block 7 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's build number block 8 and let's take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the next number block is number block 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks of number block 9 are dark grey. 4, 5, 6. The other 3 are medium grey. 1, 2, 3. The other 3 are light grey. This is 9. Now let's build number block 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is the number blocks 1 to 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals 55. Look at the number blocks math tiles, and these are also the math symbols. You get 3 minuses, 3 pluses, and 3 equals. I'll play with these in next video. Bye! Let me show you the magazine. Here are the stickers. Stickers to use for the activities. And you can see the more activities here. Thank you for watching. Bye!